Hello, it's Creative Sarah here. We are gonna do another project. This time I have one of our box frames and I am waxing it with some of our surface wax to protect the surface and also the sticky part of our transfer. Here's my cute transfer I'm gonna use. I'm marking the back of the backer sheet so I can replace this on the right side when I'm done washing it. Here I am fuzzing with our fuzz cloth. And by the way, if you're new, go ahead and comment VIP in the comments and I will send you a message. We're going to use some of our gray, it's actually called Storm chalk paste, and then some of our Shimmer Melon chalk paste. It's shimmery and shiny, and I love it, and glittery. It's so easy. Glittery without the mess. All right, if you want to try a sample, go ahead and comment sample in the comments as well, and I can get that for you. Or there's always that link in my bio where you can get everything you need. And feel free to check out CreativeSarah.com for all the information. So many smiles begin with you. Isn't this cute? I think we need to add one little thing. I'm going to grab some ribbon, tie it in a little simple knot. It makes like a little bow. It's going to be so cute. I'll grab my hot glue gun and attach it, and then we will be done. You guys, this was so quick. 2-minute project. Love it. Check out CreativeSarah.com for more info.